A lot of our clients, they have primary issue of substance abuse and secondary issue of mental health. If we treat the substance abuse and then we also help with their mental health issues, then the client will be more successful with recovery and staying clean and sober.
Most of the folks that come here have experienced some kind of trauma in their lives, and they come out here to this environment, out and away from the day-to-day stress that amplifies that traumatic response. And we're able to dive into that specific trauma through trauma-informed cognitive behavioral therapy, EMDR, as well as some DBT skill building to be able to reprocess that memory effectively.
The ranch is unique in that our programming is more than traditional therapy. It includes experiential therapies such as rope courses, the medicine wheel, and our equine program.
Equine therapy is where clients are able to learn about relationship dynamics with horses in hopes that they can take those coping skills and go back and use those in life with people.
What we do is we take clients and put them in a situation where they're kind of forced to deal with the underlying causes of their addiction, like trauma and mental health issues. Helps them to resolve relational issues, helps them to work in teams. And that's something for a lot of clients that they haven't experienced a lot of. So it's a great opportunity for them to rebuild relationships that have been broken and build their relationship with themselves.
The underlying emotions, whether it's loneliness or shame or feeling a certain sense of low self-worth, is a common theme. The idea of just living in a house with other individuals who are dealing with the same struggles is very powerful.
One of the stories that really sticks with me is I was working with someone here and they came up to me, and after a week or two of being here, they said, this morning is the first time in a long time that I remember really wanting to be alive. And that really drives my purpose in being here. Here, the air is clear, we can see for miles around, we can accurately reflect on what's going on in us internally without the external distraction.